If you're over 50 and your lower back often feels tight, sore, or on the verge of giving out, listen closely. The issue may not be your age. It could be your glutes, your butt muscles. Many people assume back pain is simply part of aging, but here's the truth. When your glutes stop pulling their weight, your back is forced to take over, and that strain builds year after year. In today's video, I'll explain why most people over 50 perform the glute bridge incorrectly, how that mistake can make back pain worse, and the simple corrections you can use to protect your spine and activate the right muscles. This isn't just about exercise form. It's about reawakening muscles that may have been asleep for decades, easing the burden on your spine, and helping you walk taller and more confidently, without endless hamstring stretches or constant back cracking. Stick with me to the end, because I'll also share a powerful biofeedback method to retrain your glutes to fire properly, even if they haven't in years. And before we dive deeper, if you're new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Success Motivation Story. This way, you'll never miss more tips designed to keep you strong, independent, and pain-free. Why most people do the glute bridge wrong? You've probably seen the glute bridge in exercise magazines, fitness videos, or maybe even learned it from your therapist. It looks easy. Lie down, lift your hips, and feel the burn. But the reality is different. Doing the move technically right doesn't guarantee you're activating the right muscles. After years of working with clients over 50, I've seen it again and again. More than 90% of people do this move in a way that strengthens the wrong areas. Instead of building strong hips and supporting their back, they're actually straining their spine and hamstrings. Here's why. The bridge is supposed to engage your gluteus maximus, the large muscle that extends your hips, stabilizes your pelvis, and protects your lower back. But when your glutes don't fire, your hamstrings and spinal muscles step in. They were never designed to handle that workload. The result? Tight hamstrings, aching backs, and a body that feels weaker instead of stronger. This is more than poor technique. It's a long-standing neuromuscular pattern. If we don't correct it, no number of reps will give you the results you're hoping for. Fixing mistake 1. Foot position. The first mistake happens before you even lift your hips. Most people place their heels too far from their body, shifting effort away from the glutes and onto the hamstrings. If your hamstrings cramp before your glutes engage, this is likely your issue. To fix it, lie on your back and bring your heels close enough so your fingertips can touch them. This small adjustment immediately improves alignment and allows your glutes to fire. But don't stop there. Think about your foot pressure. Instead of simply lifting your hips, press through 3 key points: your heel, the outer edge of your foot, and the ball of your big toe. This tripod stance stabilizes your body and keeps the hips aligned, preventing imbalance that often shuts down glute activation. Mistakes 2 and 3, overtucking and overlifting. The next 2 errors involve your spine. With age, protecting your spinal health becomes even more critical. 2 common issues are: 1. Overtucking the pelvis, flattening the natural curve of the spine. Lifting too high, arching the lower back and flaring the ribs. Both seem harmless but can slowly wear out your back. Instead, aim for a neutral spine. Press your lower back gently into the floor without crushing it. When lifting, imagine a straight line from shoulders to knees, no higher. A simple tip: exhale as you raise your hips. This keeps your ribs down, your core engaged, and your lower back safe. The wake-up call: biofeedback for sleeping glutes. Here's the most important step: retraining your brain to reconnect with your glutes. Years of sitting or inactivity often lead to glute amnesia, where your body literally forgets how to engage those muscles. The solution is biofeedback. Lie down in bridge position and lightly place your fingers on your glutes. Without lifting, try squeezing them. If nothing happens, don't worry. It's common. Now, gently press your fingers into the muscle and imagine pushing back against them. Hold, release, and repeat. This simple touch activates awareness, improves motor control, and gradually restores proper glute engagement. Over time, your glutes will lead the movement again, instead of your hamstrings or back. When to avoid glute bridges? While safe for most people over 50, there are exceptions. If you have active back pain, sciatica, recent spinal or hip surgery, or severe osteoporosis, check with a healthcare provider before attempting. And if lying flat causes dizziness or discomfort, modify or skip this exercise. The goal is activation, not aggravation. The bigger picture: strength, stability, independence. If you're still here, give yourself credit. You didn't just learn to do a bridge. You learned to move smarter, protect your spine, and reprogram your muscles. Too often, people over 50 are told to expect stiffness, weakness, and decline. But that doesn't have to be your reality. Your body isn't failing you. It's waiting for better instructions. By practicing with precision, you can regain strength, reduce pain, and move with more freedom than you imagined possible. Once your glutes are truly active, everything improves. Walking feels lighter. Climbing stairs feels easier. Even standing up from a chair becomes effortless. This is more than exercise. It's a pathway back to independence and confidence. So, share this video with a friend who struggles with back pain or tight hamstrings. It may be the turning point they've been waiting for. And now I want to hear from you. What's the one exercise you find most helpful for your back or legs? Drop it in the comments. Your answer could inspire someone else in our community to take their first step towards strength and freedom.